Good evening, Pakistan. Welcome to the Ocean Diaries, where we take you on breathtaking journeys from the sea to the land. And today, we're right here in Rawalpindi, celebrating Pakistan's 78th Independence Day. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another adventure. Today is the 14th of August 2025, a day filled with pride, unity, and patriotism. Across the country, people are celebrating with lights, decorations, and fireworks. And Rawalpindi, well, it's glowing like never before.
'Cause I just can't stay here, stagnant under pressure. Let me guide you, 'cause there ain't no way.
From the historic streets to the modern roads, the city is wrapped in green and white, the colors of our beloved flag. As the evening falls, every street in Rawalpindi comes alive. Houses, shops, and even government buildings are covered in thousands of LED lights. Families are out, waving Pakistan flags. Children are dressed in green, and patriotic songs fill the air. The excitement is contagious. You can feel it in the smiles, the laughter, and the energy all around. Along Mori Road, Raja Bazaar, and Sadr, you'll see colorful buntings, giant flags, and glowing banners. Vendors are selling green bangles, badges, and balloons, everything to show love for Pakistan.
The way you take me away, touches through and through. I try to hide, struggle to keep inside.
It's not just lights. It's an entire atmosphere of celebration. And then comes the part everyone's waiting for, the fireworks show. People start gathering in open spaces, rooftops filled with families. And the crowd counts down the seconds. The first firework shoots into the sky. And boom, the night explodes with colors. Green, white, red, gold, each burst lighting up the sky. Each one followed by cheers and chants of Pakistan Zindabad. While the celebrations are grand, this day also reminds us of the sacrifices of our forefathers. It's because of their struggle that today we can celebrate in a free and independent Pakistan. Every flash of light, every firework, every smile is a tribute to them. As the night continues, Rawalpindi keeps glowing. The fireworks keep dazzling, and the people keep celebrating. This is more than just a holiday, it's the heartbeat of a nation. From the sea voyages I share on this channel to the heart of Pakistan cities. One thing is clear, our love for this land runs deep.
She's from heaven. Heart size of the Amazon, hand steady, hand long, holding fire in her hands. She starts to dance. Oh, mystical, magical, beautiful queen of the night.
Thank you for joining me tonight on this journey through Rawalpindi. Independence Day.
I know that's right. Look out, make way, tear it up. Don't play, cut it off, grow back, throw back.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends to spread the joy of Pakistan Zindabad. Until next time, this is Usman from the Ocean Diaries, saying Khuda Hafiz and Happy Independence Day.
and gauge how I feel.